This is the fight of our lives, boys.
Tu
So they have a lot, okay?
Tu veux pas
So
les emmener plus loin dans le terrain ou pas?
wait. Careful, okay? Go back a little bit. Go back. They're engaging right now, okay? They're engaging right now. And get ready to counter just east choke. Don't go deep, okay? In 3, in 2, in 1. Just the front east. Just delete the front. And come back in the Terry now, okay? Come back in the Terry. We miss. Come back. They have a second engage, okay? Come back. Defensive on my front line. We're fine, okay? We're fine. Hold here. Q spells on the guys inside of us. Okay, they have 2 cooldowns, okay? Careful, second cooldowns is coming in, okay? Careful, boys, careful. Oh my god. Careful. Come back west, okay? We're gonna hold for the second cooldown, okay? Nice. So we're not gonna go deep, okay? We have to smash like the 6 or 7 tanks when they push us. Stay spread, boys. My Grove Keeper, all Grove Keepers are defensive, okay? Alright, careful. That's the first engage. No worries. They do no damage. Just heal my tank, okay? Nice. Okay, hold for now. Let's see if they double engage this time. Nah. Let's hold, okay? Stay spread here. Be careful with the End of Justice hammer. That's the most dangerous thing in their composition. Okay, so they have one group more on the south, and they have one group on the north. Okay, be careful, east, and get ready to drop just on the front. Okay, in 3, in 2, and 1 east, just on the front. East on the front line. Delete the cannon, and walk northwest back inside the Terry. Okay, walk northwest inside the Terry now. Walk northwest, and drop defensive on us. They're gonna push here. Okay, drop defensive. Nice. We're fine. Heal everyone. Okay, drop ears on my front line. Drop ears. I need ears on the front. Perfect. All there, okay? We have cooldown in 7. We're gonna hit the front line again. In 3, in 2, and 1. Now east on the front line. East in the choke. It's you. Nice. Now come back. Holy shit, boys. Now come back, okay? Stay spread and come back. They have second cooldown, okay? Second cooldown on us. I'm dropping Judy.
Luttez pas, les gars.
No, don't loot. Stay spread, okay? Stay spread. It's not over yet. They have a shit ton more, okay? Stay spread. We need to reset, okay? We used all defensive right now. So just play defensive for now.
Ils contournent aussi par le sud.
Loot sur les cadavres, mon dieu. N'importe.
Alright, just stay spread. Just be patient, boys. Alright, careful, there's one group coming in. We're gonna bomb the south group, okay? Actually, hold. Oh, don't. Come on, the south group. Have a little bit more ball. Can we kill that Camlan? Finish that Camlan? Ah, nice try. Okay, just stay spread. We still have time.
J'arrive où ils partent là.
Okay, start walking east, okay? We're just gonna engage on the front here, east, okay? Actually, walk east a little bit. I come back west now, okay? Come back west, I think it's a bait. Come back west. What are they doing? Yeah, go. Stay just out of my screen, okay? I'm just cutting. Don't go too far in the back, but... Yeah, they're coming back, okay? They're coming back right now. Okay, let's walk outside east, okay? Oh, there's more blobs.
Yeah. Ouais, faut jouer la défensive, je pense, mon Jeep là.
Oui, ils veulent niveau 22.
Yeah, no worries. Just my tank, okay? Stay far, okay? What are they doing? Okay, come
Bah,
back, come back, come back. Careful. Drop ears on my thing. Drop ears and defensive on my thing. Drop ears and defensive. And get ready to turn in the choke east, okay? In 3, in 2, and 1. Now turn on the choke east. On the choke southeast, a little bit southeast, a little bit southeast. Don't go too deep, okay? Just bump this choke, bump this choke, and come back now, okay? Come back. Everyone back. Defensive on us. Everyone back. Potion, 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 potion. Don't go in the choke. Don't clump in the choke, boys. Don't clump in the choke. Come back west, okay? West now. Come back west. Defensive on this. Keep dropping defensive. My tank hold, okay? My tank hold. And walk back west towards the Terry, okay?
To heal
Walk
dive.
back west towards the Terry. Stay spread and walk back west, okay? Stay spread and walk back west, okay? Stay spread and walk back west. Walk back west. Walk back west. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. Okay, walk
peu
back
de heal.
towards the Terry.
T'as
Walk
plus
back
que
towards
de
the
heal.
Terry. Wait, c'est bon, c'est bon. Walk back towards the Terry. Walk back towards the Terry. We're fine. Drop defensive here. Drop defensive here. I'm dropping a GD, okay? And get ready to turn just on the front, okay? Hold actually. Hold. Keep my tanks alive. We're good. Eclipse, t'es encore en vie, groupe 2?
Ouais, il est
Oui,
correct.
oui, oui.
Okay.
Équipez, revenez ceux qui sont morts.
Come on, I give you an advantage. Come fight.
Ils ont 22% de débat.
Yeah, just stay here, okay? No. We're not gonna go outside anymore.
Chabla, j'ai pas de ragoût, j'ai une omelette.
C'est où?
Hey, go back west. Don't
Tu les as énervés là-dessus.
Careful. Stay spread my tanks, okay? They're just bombing my tanks right now. Just stay spread. Drop a couple E's on my tank. And get ready to drop east, okay? We're gonna bomb east soon, okay? In 3, in 2, in 1. Now bomb the east. Not deep, okay? Not deep. Just east. Ah, we missed. Come back. Don't go deep. Come back. Come back inside. Go back inside. Okay, they have another cooldown coming in. Be careful. Alright, use defensive here. Use potions. Perfect. Okay. Keep healing my tank. Keep healing my front line. Just one heal on the front. On magic. Nice. Perfect. Okay, just hold here, okay? Hold here. Kill the axe inside of us, if you can. I don't clump here. Okay? Don't clump. Come back. Careful. And get ready to bomb in the choke, okay? In 3, in 2, in 1. Now bomb the choke. Bomb this. Oh, nice. Now come back, okay? Go back northwest towards the Terry. We need to full reset this, okay? Walk back. We took a big hit on our front line. Okay, heal up. Chandler, va chercher du heal, bro. T'as 2 HP.
Ouais, t'inquiète.
Alright, stay further in the back, okay, my DPS. We're gonna just soak it with the tank.
Mon Jeep ramasse tout.
Ouais, j'ai looté des
Hey,
potions, man. Hey, walk back northwest a little bit, even more. Careful, they're gonna go deep here, okay? Careful.
Mais monte.
Ah, we're fine, okay? They messed up. They did nothing engaged.
Putain.
Okay,
j'ai
do
fait
we
une
still have
tableuse.
range DPS? 1, 2, 3?
Ouais.
J'en ai un, moi aussi.
Traîne-moi, Yann.
Hey, regear and come back, boys, if you die. It's not
Peux-tu-
so fun.
Peux-tu stream, JP? J'étais en haut sur le terri, je vais essayer des bombes.
I just hold tight for now. They're. Wait, my range DPS go in the small stairs, okay, to go to the tower, okay? My range DPS, okay? Go where Mini Frank is, okay? All range DPS where Mini Frank is, okay? And you're gonna bump over the wall, okay? Southeast. In 3, in 2, in 1. Now over the wall southeast. My range DPS only, okay? Bump this and come back. Defensive on them, okay? Defensive on them. I'm trying to soak the engage for you guys. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna need heals below, okay? Okay, I'm good. Nice, boys.
Vraiment une démo.
They have so many!
Qu'est-ce qu'ils se foutent, sérieux, Pitié.
Let's go, guys. Tous ceux qui sont
They
morts,
have
revenez. Hein. Regear et
22%.
revenez.
Vous avez le...
Where are you, Samachi?
Wow, never changes.
C'est trop
Alright,
dehors.
I'm fighting
Kinder.
23%
Reviens à
human
l'intérieur, Kinder.
clan. Yeah. I've been holding them for like 10 minutes. drift with. But
Um,
I only need like 20%.
Contact,
Careful, 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 careful. And get ready to bomb the choke, okay? Hold actually. We're not gonna do it, okay? We're not gonna do it. Hold. I'm gonna try to burn some
Okay.
caves.
Il sort pas le tank.
I killed the tank inside of you. Careful, they got second engage coming in, okay? And be ready to bomb the choke on this, okay? In 3, in 2, in 1. Now bomb the choke. Everything you have. And now you're back, okay? Drop heals, heal up everyone, and come back, okay? Stay super spread. I think the Camlan crashed, but don't
Yeah.
clump on him. Do not clump. I heal up, reset everyone. Our reinforcements are coming in, okay? We just have to hold.
Bon,
You can drop the loot on the terrain if you want.
Ouais.
Yeah.
Drop.
I'm sorry,
Okay.
can someone type in directions?
Passer par le nord du terri, c'est vide. Hein. Tous ceux qui
I
reviennent.
stay super spread, boys, okay? My heal, keep holding this choke. My tank, keep holding this choke. We're doing super good.
Un petit heal sur le tank, s'il vous plaît. Merci.
Don't forget to food up in the
Il
next
y a un
2
heal qui
minutes.
peut se mettre à droite, là, ici, ou les escaliers. Juste un. Hein. Les autres, restez bien spread.
Et la main de
Et
justice,
poke
la main
the
de justice
Sammer,
qui se
okay?
rapproche, attention.
Poke the Sammer. Careful. Careful, and get ready to bomb the choke, okay? In 3, in 2, in 1. Now bomb the choke. Not deep, okay? Not deep. Just bomb the choke here. Bomb the choke. We can get a couple, okay? Now, nice. Come back now, okay? We got a couple. Come back. They have second cooldown coming in, okay? Stay spread. Spread up, okay? Perfect. We got like 2 or 3 more again. That's the only way we can do it. I poke the tank inside of us and just all the stay super spread. Careful on my front. Defensive on the front. And get ready to counter again in 3, in 2, in 1. Now counter in the choke. Huge Camlan on the east, on the west side. Oh, nice. Now come back. Okay. Now come back. Careful. There's a second cooldown coming in. Okay. I'm dropping a duty. Stay spread, boys. You are way too clump in the choke. Way too clump. Okay, nice. Reset now. Reset. We're Gucci, okay? We're Gucci. They're afraid.
Razy, come north, Echo.
Qu'est-ce
Come to the mage.
Mais ils font quoi?
C'est vrai, ça.
Ils run!
Ils veulent nous bait pour nous finir, c'est pas possible.
Don't
No,
come
no,
on
you
You
side.
will
put
bait,
the
you will
food
bait.
up
It's just a
next
bait,
fight.
okay?
Yeah,
And yeah,
food up, guys. Hein.
food up as well if you need.
Arrête, on arrête d'insulter, il revient direct.
It's just a bait, okay? Stay away. Careful, Eclipse. Fais gaffe. Restez pas dans
guys are
les
in-
axes, ok? Vous
you
êtes tous
guys
dans
are
les
in
axes
front,
d'engage, ok? Careful. Ok, stay spread.
Oh mon dieu, tu joues trop avec le
Ouais.
feu.
Oh
Stay
my god.
focused, guys. Stay focused.
Yeah, stay focus.
J'ai compris quand même, faut coller au mur.
Ils font quoi? Okay, careful on my tanks, defensive on my tank, and get ready to counter hard southeast, okay? In 3, in 2, and 1, now hard southeast, huge clump. Bond this. Holy shit!
Je suis.
Keep dropping. Nice, and now come back, okay? Reset on this. Holy shit, boys! That's
Ah
so
bah, je suis
big.
pas mort pour rien, tu sais.
Okay, stay spread. T'es mort, là? Ah, fais chier.
Bah, c'était moi le pack.
Okay, all there. They're all looting, okay? Okay, be ready to bomb the loot, okay? Oh no, you scared them. Come back. And don't go deep, okay? They still have way too many to go deep.
Yo, j'ai crash. Putain.
Okay.
C'est qui, c'est Gardax? Ok.
Ouais.
On peut l'utiliser.
Le garde en vie, je le garde en vie.
C'est bon. Je suis
C'est
en...
bon, il est là.
What the fuck?
Vas-y, hein, on peut faire des allers-retours pour poser le loot. Hein.
Bah oui, déposez.
Ah ouais,
Drop
allez,
the loot,
déposez,
drop the
hein.
loot in the terrain.
Yeah,
Not
thank
all
you,
at once, but
I'm a fucking healer. I got no time to loot. No time.
Yeah.
If you guys
What
need
are
the
they
food or if you need potion, now is the time to ask.
Yeah.
From Willow Shade Hills.
Willow Shade
No.
Hills to Hills.
What are they
You
doing?
gotta go down to Meyer
Eat
in
some
southeast.
potion, some resistance potion.
Ah, je suis pas toxique, hein, mais là.
Yes,
Alright,
Veltside,
I'm in
Veltside,
my-
I have a night helm. Viens au coffre.
So southeast from Meyer.
From Meyer, you can go to Crevasse, Ravine, Ice Marsh, then Glen. Or you can go Lake and Glen, but I think the enemies are in
Okay.
Lake or Glen. So.
Stay in the territory. They're coming back. They're coming back. Go back to Tassia Belou. I'm gonna need a healer to come heal me, okay? But don't greed for me, okay? Do not greed for me.
Okay, I'm here.
Bilou is gonna need help as well, okay? Alright, we're good.
It's okay.
Okay, they have 17 debuff now. Okay, Walkies, okay? Walkies. We're gonna fight them big balls. Big
Go
balls!
big or go home.
And stay super spread, okay? Stay super spread. I know it's open, but stay super spread.
Faites gaffe à la choke, les gars. Hein. On s'est fait défoncer tout à l'heure là-bas.
Stay super spread. You can spread on the east, okay? My tank keep pressuring them, okay? I need my tank to hard pressure them, okay? Walkies, keep walking east, okay? Like half of them are munting, I don't understand.
There's the no blood.
Okay. Okay, keep going east. They might turn here, okay? So be careful. Come east, okay? Come east. Faster. Ah, we missed it. We're too far.
Ouais.
Il y a du monde sur la route, dans la choke.
Okay,
Ah,
kill the guys inside. Q-spell and the guys inside of us, okay? Q-spell and the guys inside of us. Ah, we missed the engage from like
Ouais,
5
ils étaient dans la
seconds.
choke.
They were
Tant pis.
all clumped. Okay, kill that guy, kill that fire when he comes up.
Bodashka.
Tu restes là,
Alright,
toi.
nice. One less retard. Okay, careful. That's just a fake. Okay, stay super spread on the southwest, okay? Stay super spread. And be ready to bomb the choke in 3, in 2, in 1. Now bomb the choke. It's you. In the choke. Hit the choke, boys. Hit the choke. Ah, we miss, okay? Come back. Stay spread. My tank hold. You have to spread on the east and the northwest, okay? So we can bomb the choke. Like, we could have killed them all.
We're on the west side.
Okay, let me see what they're doing.
Yeah, just Drake can come all the
Okay,
west.
come on the
from
road.
the west.
We're gonna go to the
Thank you,
next
thank you.
choke, okay? Walk in. They're so afraid.
On
don't
peut
come
catch
up
leur
to
tank
crowd.
s'ils
Stay spread
fight
here,
comme
okay?
ça.
Stay spread. Careful, they're coming
Ouais.
in right now, okay? Careful, they're coming in right now. And we have to hit the backline, okay? In 3, in 2, in 1. Now Satis in the choke, Satis hit the choke, Satis. Come on, bomb this.
Deep, guys.
Keep dropping, and drop ears on the front, okay? Okay, come back, heal up. We need to reset here. Reset. Okay, walk back northwest a little bit, okay? They're gonna have an engage on us here. Just my tank call. Okay, we're fine. Stay spread, okay? Okay, careful, they're coming in right now, okay? Boys, go deeper this time, okay? We're soaking out the engage with the tank. Get ready in 3, in 2, in 1. Now hit the southeast now, okay? Hit those guys, they all clump. Where's my damage? Come on, drop. Drop on this. Okay, come back northwest.
Les gars, allez plus
do I
loin,
only have
sur les
one
côtés,
Do I
les
only
gars.
have 1 DPS or what?
Yeah, c'est juste qu'on s'est fait bloquer par un.
Bro, il y a de la place de là à là. Man.
Il n'y a pas juste le pont, les gars. Vous pouvez passer sur la petite rivière et tout. Hein, donc, passez sur les côtés, les gars.
Okay, my tank start pressuring again. Don't go up, okay? Don't go up. My DPS stay back. They're coming in, okay? Defensive. And be ready to turn, okay? Walk southeast now, and get ready to drop southeast, okay? In 3, in 2, and 1. Hit them southeast. Just the front.